So this is the summary for Wednesday, the 1st of February here on ES. What we did see was this orange line here. That was the 50% of the previous day's range, high to low range, this orange line, but we'll come to that later. So what we saw off the open, these two blue lines here are the 60-minute opening range, which pretty much plotted from overnight. We had prices head to the upside, retest yesterday's close, retested yesterday's close, rejected and pulled back through the opening range, 60 range here. We've pulled back down towards this swing before we had towards the bullish move towards the close from yesterday. So we pulled back towards this swing, had a pull back to lower range of the 60 minutes, rejected, pulled back again, retested these lows until we came in towards the FOMC. So at 7 here we had the interest rate decision just there, or this candle here, and it was as expected, 0.25% rate hike by the Federal Reserve on the FOMC. So we've had the rate decision, we had the intervening, that's 15 minutes there, intervening 15 minutes, and this very big candle here, I imagine it was the start of Fed Chair Powell's press conference on this very strong bullish candle. Now this candle did set up, but I taught myself how to trade. Didn't want to take the trade simply because the size of this candle high to low was 66 points in length. Well, the range, 66 point in range, as we can see, is tested at 50% midpoint from yesterday before accelerating to the upside. We closed above the weekly highs from last week, which are these blue cross here. Closed above it. We're looking for a pullback towards that level for a long, but just a sheer size, a 66 point candle. I wasn't willing to take on the risk that will be required to trade off that candle. So what I did was I decided not to trade it. Instead, what we did see was prices continue to the upside. On this area here, let's see, on this wick, thought about going short, as we can see, prices did sell off, but was bought back up and actually in fact closed bullish. We again pushed to the upside, and I'm surprised my executions aren't being shown. Let's see. Let's connect to my accounts. There we are. And as we can see, prices went to the upside. Now, I did in fact take a short, but as it was counter to the pretty obvious trend here being to the upside, and what I was going to do is I wasn't going to give the trade a lot of time to play itself out, especially after seeing this candle here to the left where we had the sell-off, was bought back up and actually in fact closed bullish and followed through. So on this bullish candle, I had a signal on my 5-minute chart that suggested quite a bit of volume came into the market in and around off the highs. So I was looking at it being bearish volume. So on the 15-minute close, because even though it was a 5-minute signals, I'm using a 15-minute chart as we've already established. The reason we're using 15 minutes is to reduce likelihood of overtrading. So what we're doing is we are looking at reduce the likelihood of trading. So what we've done is we went short, had a fairly, based on the volatility, a fairly tight target here at the open of the candle. We went short at 52. We've got out at 45.75, so just over 6 points. I think 6.25 points here on ES, and that was pretty much it. It was a counter trend after a very strong move to the upside, and we did see some bearish volume come into the market. It's not really the primary trend we've been using, but it's worked out in our favor. And just to show the account, so just going to show the account, and there's the trade we've taken today. And just for transparency, show the previous trades, showing the account hasn't been reset or anything. Let's go now through. And yeah, that should be about it. So 6.25 point gain here today. We'll see what tomorrow holds. I was actually a bit surprised that I was able to take an opportunity today, because we did have other commitments, but luckily enough, our commitments came out of the way by FOMC. And yeah, with that said, thanks for watching.